Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use silica in Assassin's Creed Origins. This glowing, rare resource is a unique glass fragment found hidden across ancient Egypt. It's not for selling or crafting, but rather for a very specific and important purpose: activating ancient mechanisms. You'll need to gather a good amount of it to unlock some of the game's most intriguing secrets and powerful rewards. Keep an eye out for its distinctive golden glow. Finding silica requires thorough exploration, mainly within the many ancient tombs scattered across the map. As you delve into these mysterious locations, keep your eyes peeled for its distinctive golden glow. Activating Bayek's Eagle Vision will highlight these precious fragments, making them much easier to spot in the dark corners of the tombs. While tombs are your best bet, a few pieces can sometimes be found beneath trees in the vast desert. Once you've gathered some silica, you can begin activating the ancient mechanisms found within various tombs. Most of these intriguing devices require 5 pieces of silica to power up. When activated, they offer glimpses into the lore of the first civilization, providing valuable context to the game's overarching narrative. Exploring these mechanisms is a great way to immerse yourself further in the mysteries of ancient Egypt and its hidden past. The ultimate use for silica lies beneath the majestic Great Sphinx. To unlock its grand mechanism, you will need to collect a substantial 50 pieces of silica. Before you can activate it, you must first complete all 12 stone circles across Egypt. Fulfilling these requirements will grant you access to a hidden chamber, where you can claim the legendary Isu armor, a powerful and visually striking reward for your dedication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.